Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Shanghai, China. This is the Hangzhou Riverside. I'm now in a park area and very close to this structure with the cool scarf around it. Lots of flowers on the bottom, different colors from whites, pinks, purples, more blue or purple flowers in the center, and various reflecting decorations. Nice area in this park. Some yellows, pinks on the bottom, and a large building here. It looks like a jade structure on the outside. Some traditional Chinese art or decorations for sure. You can see some Chinese characters on the bottom in white, and this jade construction or art ahead. It's nice weather, recording in mid-April 2026. A little bit of a breeze. Nice walking around in this area on the Bund, close to Hyatt on the Bund where I am staying. And we get closer, you can see these structures and lots of flowers on the bottom. Some blues and whites and more green to go with the structure. It says Sun Chateau in English, and you can see the manicured lawn and the shrubs on the bottom. Bit of an area for shelter in case it rains. It did rain a lot last night. You could see here International Cruise Terminal, the Grand Halls, Sun Studio, Magic Jungle, Hong Space, and much more. Interestingly, no square dancing is allowed in this area. I can understand the no swimming, the no camping, but the square dancing, that's different to me. More flowers in the background. You can zoom in here and see the pink with the yellow in the middle. A nice one in that section. And some more going around, and some bigger leaves on the bottom. Some trees you can see above, more of the purple flowers in the back. A little bit of what seems to be an amphitheater area, or at least some seating or stairs going down. Some reflections in the glass on the bottom and more pink flowers. Looks like we have cherry blossoms in the back, or something appearing to be that. And a nice view of Hyatt, where I am staying. Hyatt on the Bund. And this is that the Bund area in Shanghai, China. See over here a dragon wrapping around. Cool art on this green building. And some more of the buildings in the back. You can see the Skyline. The buildings at about the same height, but bigger ones towards the back. We also get the riverfront area once again, some globes in the background, 2 of them, and some taller buildings. And some more of the trees with some red leaves. I can hear some birds in the back, but I don't see them. You can see another glass structure down below. Closer to this green structure. Really cool, lots of design, lots of details on it, and see some of the blue flowers on the bottom in these baskets or areas holding them. Walking up even more on this side, and the shrubs in the back. Another gateway or arch with all kinds of different pinks, purples, and yellows. And we see Happy New Year 2026, Sun Chateau, year of the horse, the Bund wedding venue of the year. Some marriages taking place in this section. Some more of the glass and some more art. Here's what looks to be that scarf or the red stairs, and some cruises out of this area. I will be cruising with Royal Caribbean on Spectrum of the Seas. You can see camping tea house. Looks like origami on the left, or some kind of bird, and then a tea mascot or the eyeballs on this side. I suppose at night or certain days these stalls will be open, and it looks like a beer garden ahead, also closed, some fountains, more of the Happy New Year 2026, and I can hear some birds in the trees, but once again do not see them. Looks like some bamboo enclosures against the glass on this side, and a lot more plants on the bottom. Some lights on the trees, walking here at night, assuming it's illuminated, and some more. Sun Chateau on the Bund. You see some cars, looks like a Ferris wheel at night, or some kind of metal structure, and some more party venues, looks like, and more of the weddings happening. We see some balloons here with some hearts, and more of this public area. A lot to see here in Shanghai, China, walking by the Hyatt on the Bund, and we're approaching the North Bund Garden. Stay tuned for future video for that. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Shanghai, China.